got ATV, boys.
So guys, we gotta run over to his grandpa's, grab some tools. We're actually gonna be working on the Honda today.
That's right.
So we're gonna ride over there real fast and we'll show you what we're working on.
Yeah, sorry. Sorry, I come walking around.
Couple machines you probably haven't seen in a long time. 95 Polaris Express, 97 Honda Foreman 400, 2007 Yamaha Grizzly 700.
That's right.
And some old snowmobiles, man.
Yeah, we don't really get. We were pretty big into that back in the day, but now it's dirt toys. Dirt toys instead of snow toys.
Uber's here.
Gotten here, Danny boy.
Well, the Honda has some fresh Nerf bars from Team Alba right here racing. Down on the floor right there by your hand. We got to replace a bent tie rod we have that I've kind of had for a while, but it's starting to wear the tire on that side and I'm just kind of sick of it. Don't want to end up getting a new tire eventually, so.
First, you might have to get the door fixed.
That's fine. So here's what we're talking about, guys. This tie rod right here is bent pretty good. And old man noticed I was kind of wearing this tire weird compared to the other one.
Definitely bent. We'll swap her out. Let's see it.
Yep. The leverage was. Come on, yours, buddy.
Okay, well, this thing is 5,000 chairs here.
We got a lot of chairs. If I can get a ratchet up in there or not, it'd be great. I don't know if I can or not, Danny boy.
It's gonna be close, ain't it?
God damn it. Suppose you fell off now, too.
Still on.
Okay, boys, what we need to
Well,
do,
you can clearly see that it's bent
you have to
compared to
measure.
the new one, so.
Okay, let's see your handlebars. Fucking straight right there. Okay?
Yeah,
Okay, now let me see.
So we got her fixed, guys. We got the new tie rod on her. Looks nice. Thank you to the old man. But now we're just gonna test.
Straight.
We're just gonna take her for a short cruise and kind of just test and make sure it's good. Making sure it's all tight and everything.
Holy shit, that was nuts.
Oh, fuck.
There it is.
Danny's used to losing wheels when he's
Danny,
riding.
you're fucking losing wheels all the time.
He's used to losing wheels when he's
You know
fucking
what?
riding.
It happens that we never put the fucking lug nuts back on.
I know. I didn't even.
Son of a bitch.
But that was pretty nuts, wasn't it, dude?
Holy shit, I could have fucking died right there. They turned her a little bit sideways. We loosened her up. Shit.
Open them up.
It's like Christmas time.
So Chad, here's the foot peg part. Here's what it looks like.
Kind of light, aren't they?
Take the bubble wrap off, pal.
Shout out to Team Alba.
Danny likes his Team Alba.
I do. If only they like me
Woo-wee!
Oh, these fuckers are nice.
back. If only they like me back, right?
He looks damn nice.
Take a look at this. Team Alba, check them out.
And a little sticker.
Well, I got a back grab bar that's Team Alba. I have a bumper that's Team Alba too. And the feedlock's Team Alba.
Hell
so
yeah. He's Mr. Team Alba right there.
I'm a big fan of Team Alba. Well guys, we didn't video it, but
We got her done.
new Team Alba Nerf bars with red netting. Woo! We got rid of the old Pro Armor ones. There was nothing wrong with them, but I kind of wanted to go smaller, and these are extremely light too. Looks freaking awesome. We didn't video much just because it was a pain in the ass most of the time, but hope you guys enjoyed the video.